Good morning.
There you go again.
We're not working on the E36 today, obviously.
Yeah, because
It's been very busy here. We always say that, but that's a good thing for us. And we appreciate the support from everybody that brings their cars to us. Anyways, we got the Origin Lab kit for the Chaser, so we're gonna try to fit and trim everything today. And then Casey also got the 75 mil over fenders. The
Origin Lab 75.
75. We're not doing that today because I need to get this on the car.
Should be wearing masks. Save your bolts, right?
Yeah.
This is what you took off the front?
So yeah, those are like in the yeah. You didn't even trim a lot.
Not really. I'm just.
Yeah, I
you
feel like the front fits
if you
the
trim
best.
so much, you mess it up.
Don't you think?
Yeah. See with the trim, it's a lot fitting.
Am I creating a new hole?
No, I already did. No, I gotta go your way. Hold on. Yeah, like that.
I feel like the rear though, since we mocked it up yesterday, doesn't go in the corner.
It's not gonna be perfect. We start drifting, you're gonna tear it up. So there's no reason to spend so much time making it fit. It fits 8 out of 10. That's what I think. Not too tight.
You gotta go ahead and make the metal tabs.
Or-
The sandwich. So you don't
Oh
tear,
yeah, absolutely. Actually, I'm gonna drill the front and the back.
so you don't tear through the plastic.
Yeah, test fitting, grinding, all that stuff still. Yeah.
Do you remember when we did my kit for the IS like years ago?
Oh, I trimmed the whole weekend. You don't even need to keep this part right here. You can just trim that part, no shit. But
Freaking.
you know, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna trim it for everybody to see that it's gonna fit. I really think we should just put a 2JZ in this.
We are. That's later down the road.
Yeah, I think we should just put a 2J. I mean, there's no reason to like hold on to that 2J for my 4 Series. I can just build the next 4200 one for it. So I
Yeah.
think we should put. You want to keep
But
that?
it has to be like, I like the idea of the 8 HP on
I mean, I got the transmission, so we can just throw the transmission in there and we can do that. Just do that. Should be a direct swap.
That's where we're at.
Not bad.
No, not bad.
You're not gonna make it anywhere.
It's not that low.
Need an aircraft system. It look good. Look real good. Like reverse there. Just buy a new tail lights.
I like the taillight.
No, the better.
Oh, I like those taillights. I like taillights like that.
The hardest fitting part.
Maybe the hardest one because we
Yeah,
mocked
low light.
it up yesterday, and I think that's the one that's not fitting the best. Alright, so here's the problem that we have.
Just yeah, but I mean, all of them are like that though. You gotta have to build it up, grind it, and build it up. Same thing on the other side. Can't even go in. But that's part of it.
Right?
Yeah, it's gonna be hitting right here. Well, you're gonna have to raise it up. So.
Wait.
Like Nakai-san. gonna need to trim. We actually trim a lot more and add more fiberglass on the outer side. That
Right
way it
here.
fits better.
This specific corner.
Mainly hit right here.
Yeah.
And then the whole thing is
There's-
sunk in.
I don't know, like once we have it on, 'cause there's a gap here too, where the curve is.
We can put like a rubber, it's like what Toyota used in their fenders. It's like a rubber grommet. I did on the NSX back in the day.
I think it's gonna hit.
I'm gonna have to trim the top, but not like what we saw online. To trim it from here, like
Yeah.
this corner. You can just trim it right here and we will be good to go. I don't know, like look, it's empty. It's not empty, but what I mean is that you can't even lay this up against the chassis when you're already maxed out the front right here.
Can't see.
Go here in front. You're maxed out right there, but you have no room here. You can go more further back. If I trim this, you have no material to hold this and this together, so you have to leave it like that,
Yeah.
which what I don't like. But anybody would show that, I want to see it. On the outside, it look good.
Seems kind of sketch, like it would fall off,
Yeah.
like easily.
I'm just gonna mount it right here. I'm gonna leave that, probably just trim this, but I just don't want to see the gap looking that. This, I just don't want to cut too much because I don't want to see the floor or underneath of it. The part's supposed to be up here.
Yeah.
There's no way to do that because if you look,
Push it in.
yeah, if you look out here,
Oh,
it's already maxed out here. It's already maxed out here. So there's no way. It's hitting this. And there's a hole. Like your IS, that took me 2 days. I did the body kit like 2015. That took me like 2 days to install. Trim this, it's maxed out here. I mean, I can do that, but I don't want to cut too much here because you lose a lift and you fit. Open it. Close it slowly. Nah, take it down.
we're back at it.
We're taking the wheels off.
'Cause
Forever.
we didn't finish. Okay, here.
Oh, you didn't buy any screw, huh?
What screw?
Any screw. So right now, just marking where the original mounting point is, and I'm just gonna drill a hole. To trim this.
So that one would be hitting my tire, right?
Yeah. No, if I'm gonna trim this. So you gotta add material, take material, add material. I've seen somebody put a bolt here.
I don't like
that's,
that.
I don't like that either.
It's weird. But there's the gap here too. See? Oh, it's-
Break off already, look. You want me to take it off? Take it off?
Look at that. Maybe that's why other people cut it, but I don't like it like short and you know what I mean? I feel like it's gonna go bam and then crack. You think I'll crack this way?
Want me bigger if you don't take it off now.
So you think I should cut it?
Yeah.
Where's my keys?
Be your seat.
Never mind. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's still there.
Made it.
Didn't even touch it. Looks good though.
Yeah. I mean, the intention is there. Like it's gonna break.
The intention is there. What's the intention?
Intention to make it look good and break it.
Yeah, but the intention is not purposely to break it, but she'll be off to paint, I don't know, when soon. Yeah.
Yeah.